How to fill out Form 568 California. In today's video, you will learn step-by-step process on how to fill out Form 568 for California. Form 568 can be filed online or via mail to the Franchise Tax Board. Payments for associated taxes can be made electronically, although online payments incur a 2.3% convenience fee. Make checks payable to the Franchise Tax Board and include the LLC's FEIN, or California Secretary of State file number. So let's get started. To fill out California Form 568, start at the top by entering your LLC's legal name, the California Secretary of State, SOS file number, your Federal Employer Identification Number, FEIN, and the mailing address. If this is your first return, final return, or your LLC is treated as a corporation, publicly traded, or has changed its accounting method, check the appropriate boxes. Next, move on to reporting your income and deductions. Line 1 asks for your ordinary income or loss from your federal return, which would come from Form 1065 or 1120, depending on how your LLC is taxed. Then, lines 2 through 13 adjust that federal number to reflect California-specific rules. For example, line 2 adds back state income taxes, which California doesn't let you deduct, while line 7 subtracts income that California considers non-taxable. Line 13 allows you to deduct guaranteed payments made to members. Add up these amounts to get your total California income on line 14. Then you'll calculate taxes and fees. Line 15 is the annual LLC fee based on your total California income, which you'll calculate using Schedule IW later. If your income is above $250,000, the minimum fee starts at $900. Line 16 is the flat $800 annual LLC tax, which applies whether or not your LLC made money. If you withheld tax on behalf of non-resident members, report that on line 18. Add up all the fees and taxes, subtract any credits if applicable, and enter the final amount you owe on line 21. In the next section, you'll report how income deductions and credits are split among your LLC members. This section doesn't affect your total tax, but helps the state track how everything is allocated. Use Schedule IW to calculate your total California income, which determines the LLC fee on line 15. Then fill out Schedule K to summarize the LLC's income deductions and credits as a whole. For each member, complete a Schedule K1, 568, showing their individual share of the business activity. These forms are also sent to the members. If your business had inventory or sold physical goods, complete Schedule A to calculate the cost of goods sold. If you had income from rental real estate, use Schedule B. Interest and dividends go on Schedule C, and capital gains or losses go on Schedule D. Finally, sign and date the return on page 1. If someone prepared your return for you, they need to sign it too. If you owe money, attach a check made out to the Franchise Tax Board and mail everything to the appropriate FTB address or file electronically through an authorized provider.